Hello everyone. Just today the Sun Pharmaceutical results are declared. It is 3:15 during the market hours. So as of now the price of Sun Pharma is 815, up by some 0.44%, up by 3 rupees 60 paisa. So the results are declared today during the day. So it was today at around 1:30. Okay, let us see what do these results mean. So this is just in a nutshell. I mean, I'll do a detailed presentation later. So what does this mean? The analysis means that the total income is increased on quarter-on-quarter basis by, I mean, there's no increase basically in the total income on quarter-on-quarter basis, but there's 12% increase on year-on-year basis. The net profit is increased by 48% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and on annual basis it is increased by 7%. So year-on-year increase in net profit is 7%. Coming to the earnings per share, it is increased by 42% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same is increased by 12% on year-on-year basis. So coming to the margins, operating profit margin is increased by 23% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same is increased by just 4% on year-on-year basis. Coming to the net profit margin, increased by 50% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same is decreased by 5% on year-on-year basis. Looking at the stock price is decreased by 6% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same is increased by 19% on year-on-year basis. So as of now, we have seen it is at around 815. Now, Sun Pharma is part of healthcare index of BSE. The BSE healthcare index is decreased by 2% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same is increased by 28% on year-on-year basis. Sun Pharma is also part of Sensex, the 30 shares of NSE Sensex. Sensex is increased by 17% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same is increased by 58% on year-on-year basis. So what does this all mean when it comes to the results? See, the profit is increased by just 7%. Revenue is increased by just 12% on year-on-year basis, whereas the stock price is increased by 19%, and the healthcare index is increased by 28%, and the Sensex is increased by 58%. What does this mean is that I could see some kind of a little correction into the stock in the coming days. Thank you for listening. I will do it. I'll do the detailed analysis later on. Thank you for listening. Thank you so much.